Hello guys, today I am gonna see which brain rot is the best. Let's get on to it. First up we got Barbaloni, Tukalori and Bombambini Gunini. Let's go with that. La Visca. Oh yeah, which is Trippy Troppy. Trippy Troppy of Frigio Camilo. Yeah. Tralalelo, Tralala of Frigio Camilo. Bonenka Ambolulu. Trippy Troppy. No, I know, it's kind of weird. But yep. So this is the best one ever. Tung 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 Sahur. Yeah, he's my favorite brain rot. Oh no. Okay, I'm just gonna end the video right here.